Good day guys, this is Chibuzo Hagowa and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox, and we shall be using the desktop browser in this tutorial video. So enabling dark mode on your devices, be it your laptop or your mobile phone, is quite important because there are so many benefits attracted to it. And one of the most important benefits I do enjoy is that it reduces eye strain, or it doesn't cause eye strain. So if you're just like me that spend most of his or her day focusing on the laptop or mobile phone, then enabling dark mode on your devices is quite important, and I'll indulge you to kindly do that today. So if you're a subscriber of this channel, I say welcome again. And if you're a new visitor, like I said from the start, Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel, and we do shout tutorials on this very channel on periodically, yes, and we cover topics ranges from how to make money, affiliate marketing, mobile phones, laptop, devices, and anything related to technology. So like I said, if you want to be part of the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another important videos just like this. So if you have a Mozilla Firefox browser and you want to enable dark mode, then this video is just for you. So I will carry you with the step, and it wouldn't last more than, let me say, in just a few seconds you enable the dark mode. So let's get started.
You are welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel.
So you'll come back from that short break. So as you can see, I've actually switched it back to a lighter mode, or I disabled the dark mode so that I can walk you through the steps. So once you're here and you have a Mozilla Firefox browser, okay, let me open the home screen so that we'll get started. So on your Mozilla Firefox browser, the first thing you need to do, if you should look at the top right, yes, you see the three horizontal lines, yes, at the extreme end. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click on it for it to open its menu, and you have to hover your mouse, then you move to the section that says add-ons and themes, as you can see here, or you can easily use the shortcut keyboard, which is Ctrl+Shift+A. So now let's just click on add-ons and themes, and it will now take you to the themes section, or the themes view, whereby you can edit lots of things such as your extensions, themes, and plugin. So in case it's in any of the segments, so the next thing you do after moving to the section is to click on themes for it to display the themes as you're seeing. So the place you keep your consideration on is the part that says dark mode, yes, which is this. So as you can see, it is disabled. It is disabled. So all you have to do is to click on this. Let me over my mouse so that you see where I am. So you have to click on this enable, and automatically you've enabled dark mode on your Firefox browser. So you can see how easy it is. So if you should go back to this, see the view have changed to the dark mode. So it's very easy, and you can do this in less than 5 seconds. So if you follow the steps and it worked for you, go to the comment section and tell me yes, it worked for me. And also give this video a thumbs up, because it will enable the YouTube algorithm to actually push it out for people that wants to learn the step for them to learn. And also, before you leave, if you've not hit the subscribe button, kindly do that. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so I get notified when I release another similar tutorial videos just like this. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. Like I said, it's a very short video. So we'll meet in my next video. Once you've hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Chibuzo Agua is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So bye bye for now.